Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of CandySem Presents, I bring you Ipsy versus Ipsy, and that is correct. One of these bags belongs to me, and one of these bags belongs to my daughter, who is 18. So one of these bags belongs to a 45-year-old woman with black hair, brown eyes, very comfortable with makeup, whereas the other bag does belong to an 18-year-old with brown hair, brown eyes, and not so comfortable with makeup. But which one is it? I have blacked out both addresses, so I don't know which is which. I mean, you do get to pick stuff out in Ipsy, but I forgot which one of us got what. So let's see if I can guess the right one. So we're gonna open this one. And okay, so there's stuff outside the bag. So like I said, one is for a 45-year-old woman, which is me, and one is for an 18-year-old daughter. So that's everything in this bag. This is the new. Remember, we used to get something like this, and now we have this light pink with the Ipsy name on here. Very cute. Okay, so let's get started. So we have this cute bag, and on the outside of the bag we have two things. We have this brush, which, oh, you guys, you know I love brushes so much. This is the, what is this? Ipsy Glam Ipsy Glam tapered. This is really pretty. I think we've gotten other stuff from them similar to this, but anyways, this is nice. I like it. So that is one, and it has the little blingy things on there. Look at that. So I really like the brush. I love it. I love this color blue as well. And then we have an It Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Armor. I do have a full size of this, and I have not used it, so I know everybody raves about this. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put this in my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is gonna go in the box. Oh, what did I do with it? With all the goodies, it's going in my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, which is this one. Hopefully we can give this away soon. So that's everything that's going in there. So I'm slowly adding stuff to it. So this is the bag. This is a cute bag. What kind of bag is this? I thought it was going to be a cheetah bag, but what kind of bag? Is this a giraffe bag or is it a cheetah bag? I don't know. So we have the little card, and this is the wild side. Hashtag discover yourself. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you might just find the most authentic version of you. Let me put this over here, because this is the stuff that we got in this bag. So I gotta figure out if this is my bag or my daughter's bag. Explore your 5 glam bag products and prepare to swipe on something new and so you get to know your future favorites. So the Confidence in a Cream is the one. We have, oh, it's SL Miss Glam Tapered Face Brush P62, which is this. And what else did we get in this bag? We got 3 more products. I like this bag, but I know I'm gonna throw some more bags in there. So wow, you know, this First Aid Beauty stuff, this is so small. Oh, this is something I would like to use. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. Use tip twice daily after cleansing. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms and press onto face. Use alone or add 2 drops to moisturizer. It smells good. It doesn't smell like anything bad. Let's see. First Aid Beauty has great products. Yeah, it smells good. Actually, I smell, oh, it feels really good. This antioxidant facial oil is formulated with a blend of 16 cold-pressed active botanicals, including cannabis, sativa seed oil, which is rich in omegas and fatty acids, and colloidal oatmeal, which relieves dry, reactive skin. Together, they work to help calm and smooth distressed skin. So that's actually good. I think I'm going to go ahead and give this a try, and maybe I can get a bigger one as well. I don't know what the big one goes for. It doesn't tell us. No. My cat's trying to get in a box up here. I wish it would have been a little bigger, but that's what it looks like. Okay. So the next item is, oh, my heater. It's cold in here. So the next item is Gigi Gorgeous Living Lip Balm in Natalia. I think I chose this, and it's sealed. Well, I'm gonna open it just so I can see what it looks like. And if I don't like it, then I could still put it in a giveaway because it won't be used or swatched or anything. I just want to know what the color looks like. So Gigi Gorgeous. This is a collaboration they did with her. What? Lip Balm in Natalia. I guess this has no color. It's just a lip balm. I thought it was gonna be a color. Apply to clean lips to keep them hydrated and comfortable throughout the day. Wear alone or layered under other lip products. Reapply as needed. So I might keep this because Chicago weather is the pits. It's very dry. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous, is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This clear, lightweight lip balm is made of vitamin E and sunflower seed oil to hydrate and nourish lips. Did I say Ipsy or did I say some other box? I don't even know. Oh my goodness. I hope I said the right thing. So this is Pixie by Petra. Mesmerizing Mineral Duo and Mineral Bronze. This is actually really pretty. So that's the colors. Oh, it's too bright right there, I think. That's actually really nice. Time is precious, and no one knows better than Pixie by Petra's founder, Mama 4. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go life. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features a buttery smooth gray top on the left and a deep bronze on the right. And so to use your fingertips to apply. So that's everything in this bag. So I'm leaning towards this being my box. But let's go ahead and open the next one. So let's open this one and see what's in here. Wow, this one sealed a little better. Wow. This one actually sealed better. Okay, this one actually has one thing, I think, outside too. Oh, it has two. Uh-oh. I'm going to have a hard time deciding, because this one also comes with an Confidence in It cream. So we've already seen that in the last bag. So like I said, the first one I think is mine. This one also comes with a brush. This is with the BMX 265 Glow Moda brush. So that's what that one looks like. This looks like something I would use underneath my eyes to, you know, for a powder. This one also comes with a bag. This looks like a giraffe print, right? Or maybe giraffe. And let's see what's in here. Oh, I don't know. So same thing, nice bag. Comes with a little tassel. I don't know if you've seen that. The little tassel's cute. And let's see. Also Wild Side. That's the theme. Let me look. I kept saying I was going to look at the numbers inside if they meant anything, because they're different. They do have different numbers on the inside, but we'll worry about that later. So we have a Royal Enagnico Moda Pro Glow brush. Let's take it slow, Sam. This tiny yet mighty tapered tip is perfect for getting into hard to reach areas like under your eyes and around your nose. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. But then again, you know guys, I love my brushes. that's a nice brush. So yes, I definitely, and I can probably use this for my hooded eyes. I could go in with eyeshadow. So this is a nice brush. We also got, like I said, the Confidence cream. I am putting the other one in the giveaway. This one also comes with the Pixi by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo, but this one is in a different color. You know what? I think I'm going to give away this one in my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This one is Naturally Nude. I think because I have this one already, I'll give this one but I'm going to double check. But one of these is definitely going to go into the giveaway for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Like I said, it's right there, and it's gaining a lot of stuff. Okay, so I already said those three. So then the next item is for Berefi Power Trip Phyto, I can't even read that. This is a skincare power trip. Let's see, and that is phytoglycogen and AHA facial serum. Apply facial serum once daily to clean dry skin. Massage 1 to 2 drops of product onto your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye areas. I wonder if this is my, I'm not, well, since I said the first one is my bag, this one has to be my daughter's bag. But I will list it here if I was correct. I will let you know. But go ahead and comment down in the comment section, because I'll let you know at the end. I can't get this open. Comment down below, let me know which one do you think. Do you think A, the first one, was my bag, or do you think A was my daughter's bag, and vice versa for B? Do you think B was my bag, or do you think B was my daughter's bag? Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are. And the last item that we have in here is also a Gigi Gorgeous item, and this is this is called Turnt Touch-Up Powder and Translucent. And it says swirl your preferred brush in the pan, tap off excess, and dust this translucent powder over your makeup to set and NYX extra shine. So that's actually kind of nice. It comes with a mirror, and that's it there. So these were actually kind of nice. I would like you can use this brush and put it on. So I think the first bag was mine, and the second bag was my daughter's, but I kind of think I'm wrong, but I will let you know. And I will let you know. I'll put it here, A mine or A daughter's, but I'm saying A is mine and B is my daughter's, so I'll let you know if I was correct at the end of this video. But that's it. For those of you that are not familiar with Ipsy, it actually went up to $12 a month. That's what these are. I don't have the premium or the deluxe or whatever was ultimate, or I don't have the $25 box or the $50 box. I didn't get those because that was just out of my price range this month. I just couldn't do it. So these are $12 a piece. Did I get my money's worth? Yes. I think these boxes are worth it. Yes, I think they were both worth it. For $12, for the B box, I'm gonna call the B box, we got this powder by Gigi Gorgeous. We got this Moda brush here. We got this Verifi Power Trip facial serum, and we got the It Cosmetics, which I'm surprised they both came in here. And then we got the Pixi by Petra, the 2 duo. This is Naturally Nude. We got that. That was in the B bag. And then the A bag, we got this pretty blue brush. And then we got the Gigi Gorgeous lip balm. We also got an It Cosmetics cream. Then we got this Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis, which I am really, I'm sad that it's a small little one like this, but I can't wait to use this. And then we also got an eyeshadow in, what color is this? Mineral Bronze. So one of these is definitely going into the giveaway. The It Cosmetics cream, I'll put it in there now. That's going in the giveaway. I'm not sure on the on these. I might put them both in there. I might just put one in there. I don't know. And then we got these pretty bags. So that's everything. That's everything I got in my Ipsy versus Ipsy bag for November of 2019. So if you liked everything that you saw, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Let me know what's going on with your life. Did you like the bags? Which two do you think? Do you think A belongs to me and B belongs to my daughter, or vice versa? So I think I've taken up too much of your time, and I want to thank you so very much for being here, and until next time, hasta Laterz.